Today, we are going to dive into a topic that resonates with many stay at home moms, the feeling of isolation. It's a common challenge that can leave us longing for connection and understanding. But fear not, because today we are going to explore how to navigate through the struggles of isolation, find solutions, and then move towards personal gains. Now, what are the problems due to this? Let's acknowledge them first. Being a stay at home mom can sometimes lead to a sense of loneliness as the daily routine revolves around the home. This isolation can contribute to the feelings of being misunderstood, and it may impact your overall well being. How to overcome feeling isolated? First step is to seek mom communities. Please overcome isolation using these. Whether online or in your local area, connecting with other moms can provide a sense of understanding and support. Join social media groups or local meetups to share experiences and build meaningful connections. Second step is to schedule regular activities, that is, social activities. It could be a coffee date with a friend, play date with other moms or kids, and joining a local club or class. Creating opportunities for social interactions is vital for breaking this cycle of isolation. Third step is to reach out to other moms. You take the initiative in your neighborhood or child's school. Invite them for a casual get together or join local parenting groups. Building connections with other moms who may be experiencing similar feelings can be incredibly enriching. Now, how to move to gains? You can embrace hobbies and interests, transition from the pain of feeling isolated to gains by embracing hobbies and interests. Pursue activities you are passionate about, whether it's reading, art, fitness, or anything else. Engaging in activities you love can bring joy and fulfillment in your life. Host gatherings. Become a host. Organize gatherings at your home or suggest meetups in your community. By taking the lead in social activities, you not only combat isolation but also create a welcoming environment for others. Now, step 3 is to practice self care. Take time for yourself, whether it's a relaxing bath or a walk in the nature or simply enjoying a cup of tea. Prioritize your well being, and you will find that a well nurtured self is better equipped to navigate and enjoy social interactions. In conclusion, moms, overcoming the feeling of isolation is about actively seeking connection and taking steps to build a supportive community around you. By reaching out to other moms, engaging in social activities, and prioritizing your self care, you can always move towards your personal gains and you will have a connected life. Until next time, please take care of yourself and we will meet later. See you. Bye bye.